Zuhne 32-inch Undermount deep double bowl 16-gauge stainless steel modern kitchen sink. This is a 16-gauge double bowl sink that's designed to withstand heavy-duty damage. The steel construction on this sink provides a beautiful finish and makes for much easier cleaning, not to mention rust resistant. With the Zuhne 32-inch Undermount deep double bowl 16-gauge stainless steel modern kitchen sink, you get a high-end, long-lasting product for an excellent price. Merely on its own, this sink is an incredible product, but Zuhne provides you with a number of accessories such as a stainless strainer set, a scratch prevention bottom grate, a super absorbent towel, and convenient mounting hardware. Not to mention a template and manual so you don't have to waste time looking around for the parts. Zuhne provides a product that's soundproof and protects your cabinets from condensation. And this sink comes with deep bowls to accommodate a large number of dishes. Add to the fact that it's covered by a lifetime warranty. This sink by Zuhne is the best stainless steel kitchen sink for the money.